believe, my friend, we all have angels, and you are mine. I think you should know you saved my